Hi guys, it's Marci Sauter, the Rusty Blonde. Welcome back to my channel today. It is November 4th, so I'm a little late on doing this video, but in today's video, we are going to be updating my agenda wallet for November. So I'm super excited to do this. I'm sure some of you are as well. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. All right, so we are saying goodbye to my October setup, which I thought this was adorable, lots of fun, but I am so ready to switch it out for my Thanksgiving setup. So the first thing I'm gonna do, sorry, I just bumped the camera, but it's under Thanksgiving, but I think I wanna use this one. This is my favorite one. Actually, I haven't used this one in a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. So that's the first thing, is I'll switch out my dashboard. And oh, you guys, I'm so ready for Christmas. It's ridiculous. Maybe I'll switch that one out. Okay. So I'm just gonna set those aside, and now I'm gonna pull out my Thanksgiving theme. Wait for it, oh my gosh, there it is. So cute. I'm so excited. This is one of my favorite setups. Look how cute these clips are. Happy fall, y'all, leg day, little pumpkin spice latte. So cute. Okay, so let's get rid of Halloween. Let me pull my witch's brew. So cute. Sorry I'm a little late on getting this one out. We were on vacation. My car died. Yeah, that's a whole other thing. But yes, my car totally died. We had to get a different car, which I'm in heaven. I love my new car. But along with that came a car payment. So that'll get some getting used to. It'll take me a little bit, but it needed to happen. And so there's that. But with all of that, I'm going to pull out some die cuts. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so sorry. I keep hitting my camera. I'm gonna try harder. All right, so here are some die cuts. I'm going to pull these out as well. Okay. I'm gonna put my Radically Loved, maybe some coffee in there. I don't know if this will stay. I'm just gonna kind of randomly place them and then play with it as I go. Okay, so there are some die cuts for now. That might be really cute. let's see. Okay, I don't know, so I'm just going to start placing these. 6. Normally, I think I normally have 7 clips, so we'll just kind of have to see. Obviously, I'm keeping my Starbucks because I love it. Okay, so this is where I pull out all of the rest of my clips and then figure out what else I want to add. Coffee would be cute. Lips. I haven't used the perfume in a while. That one would be cute. Love a latte. The crown would match. Let's see. I'm going to start placing these so I can have a better idea. Aren't those so cute, the stacked little pumpkins? Maybe I stick my turkey in the middle. Which I heard there's going to be a huge turkey shortage. I have mine. I'm picking up mine today from Fry's. So hopefully they'll have it. I did an online pickup order. Pumpkin. Oh, they're so cute. And this is where I just start messing with it, you guys. What if I did the pink bow? Would be cute. Oh, I need a bow here. I'm gonna use this one. Yes, so cute. Look how cute, you guys. Okay, so maybe I use my bright lips. No. Okay, I think I like this coffee better than my latte. I think I want to move the little turkey up. I almost called it a chicken. Okay, so what do I need to do? That's too high if I put it up there. I wish I had a little Thanksgiving die cuts, but I don't. Okay, I like those there. Maybe I do just do the simple bow. Okay, and I need something here because that's gonna bother me. So I could do the black dress maybe. This is kind of an awkward shape. I have to like stick. Okay, so that would be cute. color. Well, what do we think about that? Maybe it's this guy I'm having a hard time with. What if I put... No, this is too big. Okay, maybe I do keep this. Let's see, move it lower. I love this little pumpkin latte up here. Okay, maybe that's what I do. I move it up. And that allows me to just add more clips. Because now see how spaced out it is? So what if... No, we'll leave it. Yep, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So now this dress will be in my way. Cannot hide. I just bent it, you guys. I'm twisting it the wrong way. What if I have it pop out like that? That looks so weird. Okay, let me fix this. Oh, the struggle, you guys. Okay, what if I move this dress over there and then pop this dress in here? Let's see if that'll work. Because you can't really tell what the die cuts are behind it other than like the lipstick. So that's not really, it's just to cover it up, you know? So, are any of you curious as to what Black Friday is gonna look like this year? I am. My mom and I always go out, but it seems like the last couple years it's been pretty weird. So I'm not sure what's going to happen or how it's going to be. So now that I've moved everything up, I'm sorry, I just realized I was a little bit off the camera. Wow, this video's a struggle. But that's looking cute. I just need... Okay, that's cute. Now I just need a little tiny one for right here. The perfume will be too big. Let's see if, oh, maybe my little checkbook would work. Let's see if I can scoot this over. Maybe you guys, this will work. Okay. Wow, that was my stomach. Okay, the checkbook's down as far as it'll go. Maybe that's it, you guys. What do you think? I wish this went down just a hair more, but it doesn't. Okay, you guys, I think that's how I'm going to keep it. That looks really cute, I think. Yes, I love it. What do you guys think? Okay, that'll work. Okay, so now that we have that done, oh my gosh, so cute. I have this. Yep, I'm gonna leave this one, that'll be cute. And then my calendar, which, oh, I just realized I need to update that. Look at this, I haven't even used this since September. I never updated it for October because October was crazy, you guys. Something happened with my car. We had to get a new one, which we ended up getting a 2017 GMC Acadia Denali, and we got a smoking deal on it. But again, that came with a car payment, so that we'll have to get used to. But I'm super grateful that we found this car. And here's all of the shopping, which I think I received everything. Yes, I have. Okay, and then I totally didn't budget. I mean, I did budget, I just didn't do a video on it because, again, October was crazy. We had vacation. I was supposed to be doing a bunch of Disney videos, but I had the car mishap, so this is pretty much, I just went to the ATM and budgeted for my family and did not do a video on it. But everything else in this is the same. Again, I will link everything down below. Sorry, this was kind of a mellow video. Normally, I'm like super excited and stoked to do these, which I am. I'm just really tired today. And we had our long trip and first day back to work. And so that's what's happening here. I think I will switch out my celebrations back to, I really like this one. Because the back side, it just looks like I added the bow there, and then it looks like gifts for my celebrations list. But anyways, okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I still have all of my Disney stuff out to show you like what I packed and what I bring and stuff. So hopefully I'll get those recorded and uploaded here. And yeah, I hope you guys are getting ready for the holidays. I can't wait for Thanksgiving. I hope you all get turkeys if you're wanting turkeys. And yeah, I guess that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on my next video. Bye.